flux capacitor. Right Unplug her like an Ethernet cord. I don't wanna do this no more. Unplug her like an Ethernet cord. Shit, nah, I can't do this no more. You let me get up, faded in a trance. I was lost, you had me fucked up, had enough. No shit yet, bruh, but let me tell you how this shit came into fruition. You got me sitting in my room, wishing I was there. I was listening to Juice WRLD, wishing well. I thought I was gonna end up in fucking hell. Guess what? You're right. I might not grab the mic tonight. I might just turn to the pipe, fill my lungs with this ganja. Helps me solve my problems. Duh, bitch, I'm not a bum. Nah, not a bum. What you think I'm dumb? I'm not young and dumb. I'm young and smart. I grab this shit, made this shit from the heart. These bitches tell me I'm not smart, acting like a retard, and I know I probably shouldn't stay.